I know you already know, which is awesome. It also has a remote starter, keyless entry, push button start. On the dashboard, you'll notice it's beautiful and it has chrome accents throughout the whole dashboard, which is great. On the steering wheel, you have Bluetooth capability, you have cruise control. Anything and everything this vehicle has, you want it, it is here. It's spacious, it's beautiful. The cloth has been taken care of with black with great piping throughout it. This vehicle is awesome. It drives like a dream, Joe. I would love for you to give me a call today at 205-380-6250. Again, the phone number here is 205-380-6250. Or better yet, come by and see me and let's take it for a test drive today. The address here is 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover, right across from Subway as well as Royal